by installing and activating the Blockwheels Pro Plugin. Now, let's proceed to add a Lottie Animation Block to the desired page. Navigate to the page where the Lottie animation is intended to be placed. Scroll down to the section where the Lottie animation is to be added. Click on the block holder section. Next, click the Browse All button to view all available blocks and search for Blockwheels. Locate and click or drag the Lottie animation block to add it to the page. By default, the WordPress logo Lottie animation is loaded. To customize it, click on the spotlight icon. Click on the Lottie player dropdown and choose the file source as either a remote URL or Lottie files. Let's first select the remote URL file source. To generate the remote URL, visit the official Lottie Files website and log in. Search for the desired animation. Find and click on it. Then save it to your workplace. The new tab will be opened. Enable Asset Link to generate the link. Copy the asset link. Return to the block customization page and paste the asset link into the Lottie animation URL field. Alternatively, you can upload the Lottie file instead of using a remote URL. Download the LottieJSON file from the Lottie file website. Once downloaded, return to the block customization page. Click on the Upload a Lottie Files button. Browse for the downloaded JSON file. Give it an animation title and click Upload. Furthermore, you can enable or disable loop playback, set playback speed, rotate transformation by degree, and define the height and width of the Lottie animation. Click on the container dropdown to modify content alignment, container border radius, background color, padding, and margin. After completing customization, update the page and view it in a new tab. This is how you can easily add Lottie animations to your website.